Hello and welcome to Digit. Today we have with us the Vega Classic Hair Crimper. So first let's look at the box and see what we have here. Right here you have what the product looks like inside, so a picture of it. You also have wide crimper plates which allows you to create crimps on your hair. You have ceramic coated plates, which is good. And you also have a power indicator light. Here you have the brand name. Let's turn it around. So here you can see Vega Classic Hair Crimper again. It comes with quick heat up, which is good if you want to quickly crimp your hair. It also has a power indicator light and some warranty information. For the warranty information, we recommend that you go to the Amazon page and just check out what they say right there. Now let's look at the back and see if we have any more information here. Once again, we have the picture of the product itself. We also have a description of sorts, which sort of gives you an idea about what the product is. So here it tells us it has wide ceramic coated plates with 5 ridges that cover a large section of hair in one go. So basically the ceramic plates and the wide ridges can give you a crimp in a very short time. The crimper also has 360-degree swivel cord, so that is more convenient to use as well. Now let's look at the features. We have here wide crimper plates, ceramic coated plates, which has already been mentioned before. You have a power indicator light, and it has a maximum temperature of 220 degrees Celsius. It also comes with quick heat up, easy lock system, and here you have the volts and the hertz. So now let's open this up and see the product we have inside. And right here we have some documentation, but that's about it. This is the user manual that you can look through. And here you have a warranty card. So let's set that aside and look at the crimper. So as you can see here, we have the crimper right here, and it has a lock button of sorts right here. So here you can see we have the lock button, and on the other side we have the unlock button. So basically if you want to unlock it, you just push it in and it unlocks. And if you want to lock it again, close it up and then push it in and it locks again. So let's unlock it and look at what we have inside. So here you can see the ceramic 5 ridges plate, which basically gives your hair a crimp. You put your hair in the middle like this and press it down and then move it through, and then that should crimp it. Inside here we have an on and off switch along with an LED indicator light to show if it's on and off. Let's lock it back and look at the cord. So here we have a normal cord that goes into any power outlet. And now let's open it and see the length of the cord, which is important since most of us have our power outlets sort of far away from our dresser. So as you can see, it is a pretty lengthy cord, so you should be able to move it around easily. This cord also swivels around 360 degrees, so you have that range of motion, which is very good as well. And also the cord feels pretty sturdy. It has a nice thick covering, so it shouldn't get damaged too easily either. And that's about it for the unboxing of the Vega Classic Hair Crimper. Thank you for watching.